Meet the richest Real Madrid players in 2024. Real Madrid, a globally recognized and respected football club, holds an impressive track record of wins. The team has secured an incredible 13 Champions League titles and 34 La Liga trophies, marking their dominance in the sport. Their exemplary performance across multiple leagues has garnered them international recognition. Their prestigious status extends to the compensation with which they provide their players. Many of these individuals rank among football's highest earners, raking in millions of euros every week thanks to lucrative contracts offered by the Spanish Titans. So who are the richest members on Real Madrid's roster as we head into 2024? Thibaut Courtois. €346,154 per week. Internationally praised Belgian goalie Thibaut Courtois is globally regarded as a premier player in his role, consistently making essential blocks and commanding his area with assured certainty. His career took an influential turn in 2018 when he moved from Chelsea to Real Madrid for a notable €35 million agreement. Upon joining the club, Courtois confirmed his standing as the indisputable primary goalkeeper for both his team and the nation. His outstanding performances helped Real Madrid secure 2 La Liga championships, which highlights his crucial role within the team. Contract signed August 16, 2021. Contract expiration June 30, 2026. Estimated weekly salary €346,154. Federico Valverde. €360,000 per week. The player from Uruguay who takes the position of midfield for Real Madrid is recognized as one of their most elastic and adaptable members, experienced in varied roles like box-to-box, protective, or offensive midfielder. In 2016, Valverde transferred to Real Madrid from Peñarol at a cost of €5 million. He has since turned into an indispensable part of Carlo Ancelotti's team, delivering 6 goals coupled with 8 assists during the 2022-23 season. His accomplishments include bagging 2 Champions League titles and dual La Liga trophies while serving under Real Madrid. Contract signed August 24, 2021. Contract expired June 30, 2027. Estimated weekly salary €360,000. Antonio Rudiger. €360,000 per week. The dynamic defender hailing from Germany became a part of Real Madrid after leaving Chelsea in 2022, committing to a term that will last 4 years at a cool €6.8 million per season. Rudiger is appreciated for his robustness and trustworthiness as a centre-back, while also possessing skills necessary to perform as either a right-back or a guarded midfielder. Establishing an unshakable partnership with David Alaba has resulted in claiming victory over 15 clean sheets out of 25 games they played together for Real Madrid. Additionally, he is the proud holder of a Champions League title, winning the competition with Chelsea in 2021 prior to his move to the Spanish team. Contract signed July 1, 2022. Contract expiration June 30, 2026. Estimated weekly salary €360,000. Vinícius Júnior. Originating from Brazil, Vinícius Júnior stands as a vital part of Real Madrid's offensive lineup with his lightning-quick moves, stellar dribbling skills, and knack for scoring. In 2018, he moved to the Spanish capital from Flamengo after signing a record-breaking deal worth €45 million, which made him the costliest teenage player at that time. Under Ancelotti's guidance, his overall game has seen significant growth. In the 2022-23 season alone, he scored 12 times and assisted 10 goals. Contract signed October 31, 2023. Contract expiration June 30, 2027. Estimated weekly salary €400,577. Jude Bellingham. Hailing from England and endowed with extraordinary talent is Jude Bellingham, who recently became an integral addition to Real Madrid's powerful midfield. His transfer from Germany's Borussia Dortmund in 2023 set another record as it was valued at an astounding figure of €103 million, marking it as the club's second priciest acquisition to date. At Real Madrid, Bellingham found immediate success, fitting right into their gameplay and becoming a key piece within their strategic puzzle on field. He stands out for his commanding speed, robust strength, and superior ball handling ability, coupled with gameplay insights that reflect wisdom beyond his youthful age. Barely making 10 appearances for the team so far, and the Whites of Madrid has provided a preview into his immense value through 4 goals already under his belt, also setting up 6 more for others to score via assists. This quick settling down period combined with outstanding contributions strongly affirms him as one of today's most exciting talents in international football. Contract signed. July 1, 2023. Contract expiration. June 30, 2029. Estimated weekly salary: €400,577. Luka Modric. This Croatian maestro has contributed significantly to Real Madrid's legacy, boasting 4 Champions League trophies and 2 La Liga victories since his 2012 transfer from Tottenham. Modric holds a record as the longest-serving player in the club, along with being its only recipient of the Ballon d'Or honor in 2018. His contract extension is set to run till 2024, when he turns 38. Contract signed. June 26, 2023. Contract expiration. June 30, 2024. Estimated weekly salary: €420,769. David Alaba. In 2021, Austrian footballer David Alaba moved from Bayern Munich to join forces with Real Madrid on a zero-charge transfer basis, while committing himself for 5 years. Known for his adaptability on field as a center-back, left-back, or midfielder, Alaba quickly secured his place as a regular starter, forming an effective duo with Antonio Rudiger on defense. Alaba has 9 Bundesliga triumphs and 2 Champions League glories during his tenure at Bayern Munich, boosting his career highlights further. Contract signed. July 2021. Contract expiration: June 30, 2026. Estimated weekly salary: €432,692. Toni Kroos. Famous German midfield wizard Toni Kroos stands atop Real Madrid's pay structure, taking home a staggering weekly wage of €468,846. This substantial remuneration results from an up-to-date contract that ensures Kroos' association with this dominant Spanish entity through 2024. Coach Carlo Ancelotti views him as an indispensable player, marked by ingenious playmaking and clear-cut vision on the field. Kroos has played vital roles in securing 4 notable Champions League trophies and 3 La Liga wins for Real Madrid thus far, proving crucial to their success streak. His arrival at Real Madrid in 2014 after moving away from Bayern Munich for €25 million was deemed a momentous milestone, shaping not just his career, but significantly impacting pivotal games, and affirming how such high wages convert to wins, positioning him rightfully among a pool of instrumental players within the squad. Contract signed. June 21, 2023. Contract expiration: June 30, 2024. Estimated weekly salary: €468,846. In short, Real Madrid's financial framework mirrors its stature in international football. The celebrated history of the club, successes in various tournaments, and unwavering commitment to excellence are all paralleled by their readiness to allocate resources for acquiring elite talent, evident from the substantial contracts offered to their players. Toni Kroos, a German midfielder at the helm of this financial titan, is identified as the top earner within the team. He is closely trailed by prominent contributors like David Alaba, Luka Modric, Jude Bellingham, Vinícius Júnior, Karim Benzema, Eden Hazard, Antonio Rudiger, Federico Valverde, and Thibaut Courtois, all of whom are among Real Madrid's highest earners. These athletes contribute distinct talents and skills to maintain Real Madrid's esteem on field. However, these generous salaries also underscore the Spanish powerhouse's fiscal strength, as well as their willingness to invest in and retain premier talent. Furthermore, it acknowledges Real Madrid players' crucial roles, along with game-deciding traits, which persistently make them one of the most formidable clubs in football.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for daily updates.